What's up, everybody? We're back again. Thursday, third of July. Live trading again. Yesterday, I made a GBP USD trade. I held the trade for the whole day. I think I put the trade in London. I'm not too sure, but I ended up holding the whole day. Ended up holding till today. Even going into today, I held, and then I think we had some form of news at 2:30, which is 8:30 New York Open. We came back. I didn't move my stop loss to break even. We came back and we swept previous low, 1 hour low on the euro dollar, and we made an SMT and price is pushing back up. We'll get to that setup in a minute, but today I'm looking at gold. This is a trade I made today on gold. If you look at the morning video, we talked about price taking all the slow resistance liquidity, tapping into a daily fair value gap. It's in the video that I posted early in the before this happened, before hindsight, so you can go watch that. See me talk about us wanting to drop lower, and I didn't take the trade lower because this is the trade that I was looking at for today. And when news hit, and then that's that big fat down close candle, and we have equal highs above, and as you can see, we're pushing. So this was a really simple trade. I think we had a daily fair value gap. We had all this low resistance liquidity. We swept in, tapped into the daily fair value gap. I'm not sure if we came back in a discount, but yeah, that happened. And then I went long. Let's check if we're in a this is previous week's low. We swept that and then we displaced higher. The daily fair value gap is in here, and there's that low, and we got swept. And our price is pushing up, fairly, really good. This is what we want to see. Uh, this is what we really want to see. So I think this is my first. This is gonna be the first win. This is gonna hit TP probably first in GBP USD, and I'm also looking at Nasdaq or Nas100 or whatever. I'm looking for shorts. We have just so much room to the downside. Swept this previous high. We have all this low resistance liquidity down here. So I really want to see us come back down, tap that on a Nas100. But then let's go to the GBP USD trade that we're looking at. So that's the GBP USD trade. I, I can't. Let me try to re-pitch the framework. So we were bullish. We had this very bullish price leg, and we want to see price come back down, sweeping is low, tapped into discount, tapped into a bullish order block, made an SMT off this low, and we had changing the state. I can't remember which time frame, but that was the trade, and then we pushed up yesterday, and we pushed up today through London, and then New York. Came news, we pushed down. My stop stayed right there because we hadn't gotten above a high. Once we've gotten above a high, that's when I would have moved my stop to break even. So my stop stayed in place, and that really helped me. So news hit, and we came back down on EU. We made an SMT off that low. GBP USD didn't take this low, but EU did take this low, so we made an SMT, and our price is pushing back up. And I think if we get above these highs, then maybe I'll move my stop to break even. If we close above these highs, I'll bring my stop to break even. So that's the trade. I don't know if I'm gonna take a trade on Nas100. I don't want to be in too much risk. But that's the trade idea, and those are the trades. So, but primarily I want to focus on the gold trade because I hope it's gonna hit TP quicker than GBP USD. I think we're targeting those equal highs up here on gold, so that's what we're looking at. So we're holding this trade, and let's see what it does after a while. So we're still holding the trades. This is GBP USD, finally pushing up, and on gold, slow but steady. We're still pushing up. I won't lie. Last week I took 4 trades and I won on Thursday. It was a W. This week I took what 2 or 3 losses, and then it's a Thursday, and now it's another W. So I think I'm gonna stop trading early in the week and try to find more setups towards like the end of the week. Trade less on Monday and Tuesday because those are the days I really lose a lot. So yeah, so we're still holding gold, really pushing lovely to the upside, and let's see what it does. Hopefully we tackle those equal highs. Definitely those data highs are gonna go. And then we push above that and go into those equal highs. And GBP is being a darling right now, and it's pushing up. So let's just hold it and see what happens. This is Nas100. I really want to see Nas sell. I really want to see how we're gonna react. Open, we just pushed above those highs. I really want to see what we're gonna do. Are we gonna display slower? I'm leaning on the side of not taking a trade on Nas100, but we don't. I don't know. I don't know. I don't want to be in 3 different trades. Would be nice to win 3 trades, but I don't want to be in 3 different trades, and we'll see what it does. I really want to see us take all this low resistance liquidity. Look at that, so beautiful. That's so beautiful. I really want to see Nas100 push back down, but we're gonna see. So yeah, let's get back on gold. Focus on gold. Let's lock in on gold and see what it do. So we've been holding for a while, and I don't think we're gonna be hitting TP anytime sooner. GBP USD. I think I'm gonna move my stop to break even. Gold, we're still pushing up. We have that 1 hour imbalance, which I want to see it get ran, but NQ took off. Nas100 took off. The short did ended up not happening. S&P 500 took off, and so those are the 2 trades that I'll be holding. Gold and GPSD, and I don't think it's gonna be hitting TP anytime soon. So I think I'll do a recap after this. So those are the trades that I'm in right now. Those are the trades that I'm holding right now. So I think I'll do a recap later if they hit TP or stop loss or whatever. And y'all be tuned for that. And if you like this type of content, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, hit on the notification bell so you get notified next time I drop. And that's the trades for today. Thursday, we had NFP, crazy price action to the downside, but we want to see it flip, and I think we're gonna flip really slow, especially on gold. Not too sure with that 1 hour bearish fair value gap, but looks like we're pushing steadily. But so those are the trades, and we'll see. We'll see each other guys on the recap later on the day, and we'll see what happens. So we out.